Jabber, PMP Authorized Training Partner, PMP Instructor. This course is the Project Management PMP Certification Preparation course. This course consists of 6 lessons: business environment, start the project, plan the project, lead the project teams, support project team performance, close the project or close the phase. First lesson is business environment. It consists of foundation, strategic alignment with our business goals, project governance, and project compliance are very important aspects that we will cover as well. Learning objectives of the first lesson are defining what a project is, discussing strategic alignment and its elements, identifying types of business value, describing change management, defining and discussing project governance, explaining project compliance and its importance. Lesson 2, start the project. We will learn how to identify and engage stakeholders, how to form the team, how to build shared understanding, how to determine project approach. Learning objectives of the second lesson are defining and discussing stakeholders and the most effective ways to communicate with them. Explain the best ways to form a team. Describe how to build the most effective understanding of the project. Explain how predictive and adaptive life cycles work. Lesson 3 is planning the project. Planning the project's scope, schedule, resources, budget, risks, quality, and how to integrate plans. Lesson 3 learning objectives are explaining the importance of project management plan, provide an overview of scope planning, schedule planning, resource planning, budgeting structure, and explaining the importance of tailoring a budget, identifying strategies for dealing with risks and risk planning, responses to risk, defining quality and how it relates to the outcome of the project, discussing the importance of integrating project management plans, and tailoring a change management process. Lesson 4. Lead the project team. Craft your leadership skills, create a collaborative project team environment, empower the team, support team member performance, communicate and collaborate with stakeholders, training, coaching, and mentoring of your team members, then how to manage conflict. The learning objectives are discuss the guidelines for developing leadership competencies and skills,